रिसेंटली हमने एक इवेंट कवर किया था अबाउट आइकॉनिक इंडियन फैशन डिजाइनर तरुण तहिलियानीज एनुअल फैशन परेड एडिशन 2 एट आर्ट मुंबई, जो कि 14 नवंबर को हो गया एट महालक्ष्मी रेस कोर्स। इट वाज अ ग्रैंड इवेंट, बहुत ही ज्यादा हमको पसंद आया था। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है, प्लीज टू गो एंड वॉच बिकॉज इट वाज दिस परफेक्ट फ्यूजन ऑफ आर्ट, कल्चर, ट्रेडिशंस, रिचुअल्स, एंटरटेनमेंट, फन। वेल, ऐसा ही कुछ स्पेक्टेकल हमको रिसेंटली देखने को मिला विच वॉज हेल्ड इन रियाद एंड इट वॉज बाय दिस वेरी फेमस आइकॉनिक इंटरनेशनल लेबनीज फैशन डिजाइनर by the name of Eli Saab, and he was seen as a part of annual Riyadh season. Well, उनके शो का नाम था 1001 Seasons of Eli Saab. पहले बात करते हैं उनके बारे में। Well, he was born in 1964 in Beirut, Lebanon. He is the eldest of 5 children और फिर 1980 से उन्होंने अपना eponymous label शुरू कर दिया था। Mainly he was catering to bridal wear. He uses expensive fabrics, lace, crystals, gemstones, pearls, intricate embroidery to make his gowns, and धीरे धीरे करके वो वैसे famous होते गए। And then 1997 में he started presenting his collections to the Western world, and then he became very famous. Well, this event was also to mark his 45 years in the industry and 45 years of his eponymous label, that is Eli Saab. इसमें हमको दिखे थे बहुत सारे international celebrities, who's who of the fashion world, and the event was like amazing. It was this perfect fusion of art, culture, fashion and entertainment, जहाँ पे हमको दिखे थे amazing performances by Celine Dion, Jennifer Lopez, Camila Cabello and many more. And the most iconic moment was when Halle Berry surprised everyone walking the stage in Eli Saab's 2002 Oscar gown, which she wore while receiving her Oscars, and she created history by being the first black woman to receive the Oscars for the best leading female actor. Anyway, बात करते हैं about him. He's happily married to his wife and has 3 children, and they are based out of Lebanon even now. लेकिन उनके couture collections available है Paris, London and Beirut में, and his ready-to-wear collections and his jewelry and accessories lines are available in 160 retail outlets and his own boutique stores across the world. Well, Riyadh annual season शुरू हुआ था from the year 2019 to increase the tourism of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. ऐसा नहीं है कि इस फेस्टिवल में सिर्फ फैशन इवेंट्स होते हैं. You could also see a lot of concerts, fashion events, then sports matches. और रियाद में जो winter season होता है ना, this event is like held along the whole winter months. So it's like a mega affair. Well, अगर हम बात करें about this particular fashion event, mega fashion event, that is 1001 Seasons of Eli Saab, तो इसको लगभग 1 साल लगे to plan it out and make this grand spectacular event. Well, इस event में बहुत सारे iconic singers जिसका हमने already नाम ले लिया है, उनके performances के साथ, बहुत सारे dance troops के performances के साथ models अपने अपने collections में catwalk कर रही थी. So it was like this really interesting spectacle. और जो stage भी था ना, it had a very amazing floral, you know, big floral cutouts in pinks and purples, which was giving this totally amazing, you know, larger than life vibe. और LEDs में भी पूरा backdrop set था, which was changing as per the collection. Well, the whole event has this really big flavor of the expansive Arab culture and tradition. And even though Eli Saab is born a Catholic in Beirut, लेकिन उनके जो collections है, especially gowns, you know, it draws a lot of inspiration from Arab costumes like the hijabs and the abayas. So बहुत ही unique, creative and stylized versions हमको देखने को मिलता है of Western gowns attached with this really creative headgears. Well, colors के बारे में अगर कहा जाए तो you could see lot of goldens, lot of silvers and then lot of pastel shades along with bright bold colors. और उनकी artistry के बारे में कहा जाए तो as we already mentioned at the beginning of the video, he uses all those cumbersome, minute, intricate detailing which makes all of his gowns so luxurious and regal and exotic. And उनके collections बहुत सारे celebrities, even royal families ने भी पहनी है. And I think he's one of the few Lebanese designers जिनको वर्ल्ड फैशन स्टेज में बहुत ही रिस्पेक्टेबल फिगर के तरह ट्रीट करते हैं लोग. Anyway, that was all about 1001 Seasons of Eli Saab, which was almost like this Coachella come Oscar kind of an event where everybody had fun with fashion and entertainment and culture. Have you seen his collections and about this event? If yes, please do let us know in the comment section below. You're watching Bazooka Reviews and this is me, Ishita, signing off. Please do keep watching this space for more fashionable updates.